1, 2, in 1977, Miranda Luengo won the first ever Miranda Luengo Award. The wind blows us down sometimes, what are we to say? We get up and pay it no mind, hey Mr. Wind, don't blow us away. And the wind says, shh. And the wind says, shh. We climb trees sometimes, fall down once or twice. We get up and pay it no mind. Hey, Mr. Tree, you better be nice. And the tree says, and the tree says, we get attacked by bears sometimes. They maul us over black and blue. We get up and pay it no mind. Hey, Mr. Bear, we're not food. And the bear says, grrr, roar. And the bear says, grrr, roar. And the bear says, shh, don't tell anybody, but we can talk. Actually, the other bears and I were chatting, and we thought it was pretty cool how you stood up to the wind like that, and we were wondering if you want to be our new leader. Your new leader? Of course! King of the Bears! Well, actually, it's a Prime Minister of the Bears. It's not a monarchy, it's a democratically elected position. Prime Minister of the Bears? Of course! Whoa, hold your horses. We're not just going to give it to you. It's essentially a very long and convoluted election process. First, we're going to throw some background checks to make sure everything's on the up and up. And second, there's primaries and caucuses and debates. And you're going against the incumbent this year, and his approval ratings are through the roof. It's going to be a tough one, boys. That's where Margot comes in. She's going to be your new campaign manager. She's got your best interests at heart, so what she says goes. Capiche? Capiche. Hey, Margot.
Hey, boys! First, let's get rid of those stupid hats!
Look, this is a great opportunity, and thank you. We don't want to seem ungrateful or anything, but nothing in life is worth sacrificing who you are. And this is who we are. We talk to bears sometimes. They try to change us if we go too far. We love ourselves, can't change our minds. We're perfect the way we are. And Betty and Griff say, be yourselves. And Betty and Griff say, be yourselves.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a song.